pumpkin. Juicy, lovely. So you want to start off just by removing this top bit. It's a bit hard. The lovely thing about this pumpkin is that you can eat the skin when you roast it off. It's time to make the spice rub. We're going to start off with some Korean chili paste. So you can get this in pretty much like any supermarket these days. If you never tried it before, go buy some, eat it. This stuff makes anything taste good. Then we've got some hanout, which they don't actually sell in Korea. I had to bring this from England, but you can pretty much get it anywhere. Smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, sea salt,
black peps.
Black peps. Oh shit, forgot one ingredient. Plenty of garlic. Right, give it a good mix. And now get your pumpkin in. You want to get your oven on max heat. I don't know how hot your oven goes, but max that motherfucker out. And then, yeah, just whack it in. You're just gonna roast it until you get a nice color around the pumpkin. And by that time, it should be fully cooked. Don't waste what's in this bowl. Take your shrimps, mix them in. And then, spread them out on a plate. It's time to get the blower out. Fuck, that's hot. Alright, time to make the salad. Real simple, real quick.
Real sexy.
Real sexy.
Sexy, simple, salty,
Juicy,
peppery,
salty,
juicy.
pepper. This is one thing I do like about Korea is their tomatoes. They have good tomatoes. So tomato, just cut it up into quarters, real easy.
Some nice throwing you got going on there, mate.
Alright, we got enough tomatoes. Enough with you tomatoes. A little bit of lettuce, never hurts.
Unless you're the lettuce.
Just some nice rings of this very large spring onion. It's kind of like a hybrid, this. It's like it's nearly a leek, but it's not a leek. Nearly a spring onion, but not a spring onion. There we go, a little bit of mint. Just take the stalk. Let's run it down. Throw your prawns on. Lovely. Last but not least, just get a peeler, cucumber, and just peel it down. Here we go. Boom. Looks incredible. Smells even better.
Does smell good.
And it keeps the ladies happy. So we're going to do some flailing up now. And this is where it gets funky. It gets monkey.
I think it's got bars.
So we're going to dress up this salad quickly. Really easy dressing. Lemon juice. I'd probably say that's about half a tablespoon of salt. Sprinkle it all over. Black pepper. And we got some apple cider vinegar. Now at this point, you can add olive oil to it, but I'm not going to because I'm on a bit of a diet. So I'm just going straight up. So mix it in, get a little sexy. Get your hands all up in there. So this is where it gets super sexy. So I'm going to start off bottom of the plate with some yogurt. Go 3 spoons. And you're just going to want to swirl it around. And here. And here we got some sun-dried pesto. So just a little bit here and there. Kind of like, not fully mix it into the yogurt. I kind of swirl it around. Couple of pumpkins at the bottom. A little bit of salad in the middle. couple more pumpkins. And a little bit more salad. Just build a nice bit of height on here, you know. Make it look pretty, be arty, do whatever you want. Balsamic. Holy fuck. Too much balsamic. So just a little drizzle all over the top. You don't want too much, because it's a very strong ingredient. But the right amount goes a long way. You put that on any table, and there's gonna be some some panties dropped.
Alrighty then.
Here we are. So, when I told him I was making a salad, he turned his nose at it. You know.
Not a salad man.
But let's see if I can unturn his nose.
Let's see.
I know you're about to interrupt me, so I'm just waiting for you to do your interruption.
I'm not going to interrupt you.
So if you're cooking for...
We all know
So if you're cooking for a vegan, or you are a vegan, then just take out the yogurt and the shrimps. Still an amazing salad, and you're gonna fucking love it.
Yes, you are.
Alright, let's do this shit, man. Hashtag Uzi. Tell me that's not a banger.
Wow. I mean, it's not a banger. But I'm only saying that because you told me not. You told me to tell you that. You told me to tell you that, so I said it. But in real talk, that is a banger. Wow. A little yogurt and shit on the side. Man.
Yeah. I like that.
Yeah, I'd eat that. I'd eat this. Yeah.
If Emil likes it, I'm sure anyone's gonna like it.
Man, that pumpkin is real good. Finger licking.
And you like them. Alright then. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And when life gives you lemons,
Fuck you.